guys, KidWoah coming at you. You know, I just got these sunglasses today from SRP, and I thought I'd do a little video of customizing these sunglasses for you. So basically, I mean, it's going to be quick and easy. There's multiple ways you can do it. This is how I personally do it. I mean, you could probably get a razor blade, and you could probably scratch this out if you wanted to, but this is how I do it. So check it out. Basically, I would take a black paint marker. I'm going to black out let that dry for a minute, of course. We're gonna let that dry, let that paint dry. And again, this is just a simple, easy way of doing it. You could do it multiple ways. This is just a little simple KidWoah. Boom, here you go. This is how you do some sunglasses. Make your own personalized. Alright, so after you get that paint to dry, you're gonna go. You have some customized KidWoah sunglasses. Boom. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Much love. Thank you for all the support. I really appreciate it. Keep it coming. Mash that subscribe button so you can link up on my next videos when they're coming. And also, don't forget to comment below. Every time you comment, gives you a chance to win a pack of stickers. Much love. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. Much love, guys.